HiMedia touches creation in all life forms. With care, we assist regeneration. We assist identification. We assist sustenance of life. For life is sacred. Life is to be revered. For life is precious. HiMedia scientists have evolved systems and products that answer the needs of global fellow researchers, the needs for their research into life sciences. Our cell culture labs, our molecular biology labs, microbiology labs, dedicated production facilities enable world-class leading-edge products with highest quality parameters. Our manufacturing plant is located near the pristine hills of Nasik, spread across an area of 36,144 square meters with a monthly production capacity of 100 tons. Along with production facilities, it also has a big warehouse. The plant is located at less than 125 miles from the Mumbai International Airport and is easily accessible via high-speed express roads. Our global technical support ensures that our customers get ample satisfaction in using the fruits of our cutting-edge research. HiMedia has dedicated automation-enabled manufacturing facilities with batch sizes up to 5 tons and a monthly production capacity of 100 tons. We can cater to the ever-growing market demand. We operate under strict ISO 9001 and WHO GMP protocols. Our QC microbiology is additionally ISO 17025 accredited. We have 4 large warehouses, including one in the US and one in Europe. These ultra-modern facilities are a feather in the cap for HiMedia. They are intimately geared to the user's needs. HiMedia has been indigenously manufacturing a range of raw materials needed to manufacture a range of fermentation media recipes for the cultivation of probiotics. It helps to maintain consistency in the batches. HiMedia LLC in the US stocks products for quick deliveries in that region. Visiting technical directors interact with HiMedia field force in the US and in Europe on a continuous basis. There's a huge market for probiotics due to their diverse biological advantages in humans. The global probiotics market was estimated at USD 49.4 billion in 2018 and is projected to reach USD 69.3 billion by 2023 at a CAGR of 7%. Market growth is attributed to the rise in demand for probiotics in food and beverages and dietary supplements, particularly in the emerging economies of Asia Pacific and rest of the world. There are several technical challenges in manufacturing of probiotics. These are ultimately related to the process, raw materials used, etc. We would like to share some of the challenges faced by the probiotic industry. Optimum growth of the culture. The quality of the probiotic depends on healthy produce in the form of optimally grown probiotic microbes. Controlling optimum growth of the strain is critical. Another important challenge is batch-to-batch consistency of raw materials used to make media meals for the growing probiotic strain. If the specifications of raw materials from different batches are consistent, there will be little variation in the produce of the culture. One important aspect which manufacturers should remember is the compatibility of raw materials used to make media with each other. There are reports by some probiotic manufacturers that peptone and yeast extract, when used simultaneously in the same media, affects the growth of the probiotic adversely. An extremely crucial part of the cultivation of probiotics is to keep them from viruses, that is, the bacteriophages. The bacteriophages are specific to strains of the probiotics. They attack and destroy probiotic bacteria and bring about thinning of the yield. The manufacturer has to be aware of this and take appropriate precautions. We also provide gamma-irradiated, pre-mixed raw material bases for probiotics fermentation media to avoid phage entry through the raw material. The skill of the probiotic manufacturer is to overcome these challenges. HiMedia primarily helps in providing a range of raw materials for this purpose. We also supply customized fermentation media formulations and feed under confidential agreements with the parties. We ensure growth-promoting properties by extensive and intricate testing. A bigger batch size capacity ensures consistency and a scaled-up supply. Moreover, we also test the compatibility of raw materials used in the finished product. We can also accommodate specific testing criteria to meet client requirements. Additionally, we provide customized solutions to probiotic industries. To avoid complications of issues caused due to TSE and BSE in animal-based peptones, plant-based peptones can be used as substitutes. These eco-friendly, high-yielding and comprehensive range of plant peptones from HiMedia enable reduction of carbon footprint generated by the animal peptones. We follow strict regulations for raw material manufacturing, which include international US FDA norms and FSSAI 2016 in India. The fermentation ingredients required for growing healthy probiotic strains are manufactured in WHO GMP facilities. All our fermentation ingredients are TSE-BSE free for ingredients of animal origin, GMO-free nutrients of vegetable origin, and fermentation ingredients whose bioburden are within acceptable limits as specified in food and pharmacopoeial standards. Halal and kosher certifications are available for certain required ingredients. We recommend that probiotic strains to be used by the manufacturers should be of GRAS status and adapt to US FDA norms, and within India, FSSAI regulate the same. Further, the evaluation of the product obtained may be followed as per Codex and FAO or WHO standards. HiMedia respects and values each of its customers and continues to serve optimum products without compromising on quality. We safeguard the customization of proprietary media formulations through our NDA and CDA policies that outline confidential information shared between HiMedia and their clients. The Global Scientific Unit and overseas products have entrusted a leadership role in HiMedia. Our dedicated researchers are fully geared up to answer this call. Our vision for the future of healthy humankind rests on our philosophy of a sound relationship between all life forms. We, HiMedia, respect life. Life is to be honored. Life is to be celebrated. Life is to be adored. For life is precious.